feels like morning. Pavement scars tell all our stories. Scraping's part of the glory. Rolling fast, always chasing. Freedom's call, no replacing. Pavement scars tell our story. Scraping's part of the glory. Rolling fast, always chasing. Freedom's call, no replacing. At the skate park where we belong, fast we'll sing a freedom song. Under stars and streetlights glow. This is home we'll never outgrow. Ducked souls on worn out shoes. Broken boards, we paid our dues. Graffiti walls, they know our name. In this world we're all the same.